Okay, here we go. 94 divided by 6. They did the first couple of steps for us. Now remember, look right here to the side. They wrote the steps for you. So if you can't remember the steps, go look right there. So the first step is to divide 9 divided by 6. 9 divided by 6 is 1. So let's write that. Let's trace over that. 1. Okay, and that was divide. So now we're going to multiply. 1 times 6 is 6. You see, I'm checking it off as we go. The next thing is to subtract. 9 minus 6 is, what is 9 minus 6, John? 3. Subtract. The next step is to bring down the next digit. They already did that for us. They brought down the 4. So now we have 34. I need to now repeat, right? And it shows us right here that we're repeating again. So, Gavin, what am I dividing?
34 divided by 6.
Miss Anderson forgot something very important, and we're going to stop right there. What did I forget?
Here's what I found.
I forgot to write the multiples. Shame on me. Let's go write the multiples of 6 really quick.
6.
Okay, so I've got 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 49, 48, 48. I was counting sevens there for just a minute. 48, and then what comes next?
54.
54. Okay, now we can go divide 34 divided by 6. What is 34 divided by 6, Gavin? 5. So let's multiply 5 times 6, and we get 30. So I divided and I multiplied. Now we're going to subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, now look at your remainder of 4. Is your remainder of 4 less than the divisor of 6?
Yes.
So we're going to go put the remainder up top next to the quotient. Okay, so we took care of the remainder. Now we're going to go over here and we're going to check it. We're going to take 15 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Put your 0 down, carry your 3. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. Now what do I do? What do I add? What do I add, Gavin? The remainder. So I add the remainder of 4. Does 90 plus 4 give me 94? It absolutely does. Good. Okay, go to the second page. Let's do one on there. Okay. Let's go do the middle one. Do what? Yeah, let's go do this middle one. Let's write our multiples of 7. So let's write the multiples of 7. So we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and then 63. Good. Okay, does 7 go into 5 at all? Can I take 5 divided by 7? I cannot, right? I cannot. But I can do 53 divided by 7. What is 53 divided by 7? Easton, what is 53 divided by 7?
Seven.
53 divided by 7 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Can I subtract 3 minus 9?
No.
What do I need to do? Borrow. What's 13 minus 9? Valley, what's 13 minus 9? 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Is my remainder smaller than my divisor?
Yes.
Okay, so I can put it up top. Now we need to go check it. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 4. Does that work? 9 plus 3 is 13 if I carry that 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, let's go look at the third page. Remember, I'm going to do an example with you on each page. Third page. Then you're going to do the rest on your own. All right, let's look right here. 984 divided by 7. Let's write our multiples of 7 again. Say them with me, guys. Let's go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. Remember, this is just repeated addition. You're just writing the multiples out. Okay, divide. Liam, they did the first step with us. 9 divided by 7 is 1. Then we multiply. 1 times 7 is 7. Now I need to subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. They already brought down the 8 for us, so now we start over and we divide. What is 28 divided by 7? Easton, what's 28 divided by 7? 4. Now we multiply 4 times 7, which is 28. What's 28 minus 28? 0. Okay. Then I need to bring down the 4. Now I need to start over. What's 4 divided by 7? What's 4 divided by 7? What do you think, William?
I think it's going to be 3.
Well, look at your multiples. I only have 4. Can I go in one time?
No.
No. So what do I put up there?
0.
I have to put a 0. I have to put a 0. Then you... Okay, let's do this last one together. Okay, write the multiples of 2. That's easy. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, they've already done the first step for us. 9 divided by 2 is 4. Multiply 4 times 2 and you get 8. Subtract 9 minus 8 is 1. Then they brought down the 7 for us. Now I need to go repeat. I'm going to divide. What is 17 divided by 2? 17 divided by 2. What is it, Umberto? 8. 8 times 2 is 16. All right. 17 minus 16 is 1. So divide, multiply, subtract. Bring down your 3. Now I start over and divide. What's 13 divided by 2? What is 13 divided by 2? What would it be, William?
13 divided by 2 is 11.
Not 11. We don't have 11. Look, William. Does it go in one time?
Yes.
2?
Yes.
3?
Yes.
4?
Yes.
5?
Yes.
6?
Yes.
7?
No.
No, that's too big. So it's 6. 6 times. We put a 6 up top. 6 times 2 is 12. They are missing a box right there, so just fill it in. 13 minus 12 is 1. Is my remainder smaller than my divisor?
Yes.
It is. So I'm going to put it up top, and then I'm going to check. So 486 times 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry your 1. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1. 17. Carry your 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And then I go add my remainder of 1. And you get 973. Okay. You will now do the rest on your own.